Hey everybody, Jimmy here. So, somewhat of a quick video today, and it's going to be about building a more budget-friendly version of the Mark 27 Mod 3 or Mod 2, which is a fancy Glock 19. Long story short, the military had basically said you're not getting the Glock 17 because you already had a full-size handgun with Beretta M9s. So they went with the Glock 19. So the first Mark 27 Mod 0 is a Gen 3 19 with threaded barrel and X300 light. Mod 1, I believe, is the Gen 4 non-arm or MOS. Mod 2, I believe, is the Gen 4 MOS. I could be completely wrong. This is old memory I'm going off of here. But I chose the Gen 4 19. It fits my hand better than all the other generations out there, including the new Gen 6. I love the Gen 6 17. I do not like the grip on the 19. Does not feel right for my hands. I get decent sized mitts here. But the Gen 4 fits just right. So I am going to show you everything I'm putting in on this gun. I have a few different light options, 2 different optic options, the temporary night sights for the time being, and then the barrel option. Like I said, this is more budget friendly. It's not going to be clone correct. Out of all the clones I have, none of them are clone correct. Okay? If you have the money for that, cool. If you don't, maybe follow this one. So let's get the camera flipped around and show you what we're working with. Alright guys, so this is the current configuration I have. It's just a basic Gen 4 19 MOS. I have chopped a medium backstrap beaver tail off, and I'm just using the beaver tail. Like I said, it fits right in my hands. I believe that's Jaeger Works back plate, something old I got years ago. I already have the extended slide stop on it, but let's go ahead and get this thing broken down and get it equipped. So I went with a Combat Armory threaded barrel for the 19. I believe the factory barrel was about $200. I'm not gonna spend $200 on a barrel. So I have the Combat Armory barrel with a Glock OEM thread protector. See if we can get that to focus. OEM thread protector. That's how we're going to run that one. As far as light options, I have the TLR7X, the TLR1 HL, Surefire X300 Bravo model. I'm not going to be using the X300 because it has a home on another pistol. The only reason I got the X300 was for this other pistol. TSOS Raider, the M45A1 clone. Turkish clone. So between the TLR1, TLR7, I'm going with the TLR7. Why? I have a holster already set up for the TLR7. And as the Haley Strategic Incog X by Safariland. Wonderful holster. Absolutely love it. Alright. So to do the sights, I have the MGW sight pusher. I was very fortunate to pick this up at a swap show for $40. Very simple. And then start screwing it off. Doesn't matter which way you turn it. Alright, let's go and get new rear sight. I believe these are factory, yeah, these are factory Glock night sights. Go ahead and put them in the channel. Get everything lined up. There we go. Close enough government work. I said these are temporary. Double check, make sure everything looks good. Yeah, everything looks good. The Glock Armor's, actually a true Glock Armor's front sight tool. Alright, on the front sight, I like to put the screw in first. Just makes seating it so much easier. Yep, good enough. All right. Let's not do that. Let's go to what optic we're using. So these optics were sent by Vortex on a testing eval basis. Got the Defender ST. This is the one with the multi-reticle solar power. And then this is just a standard ST 3 MOA, but in flat dark earth. Going flat dark earth. So, on the unboxing, get your optic with a nice little cover. And then in here, you have your manual. Little tool for the screws. It comes with an MOS backplate, a Picatinny rail mount, and then it has a bunch of different options for screws. Everything from the HKVP9, Canic 320, the 509, Smith & Wesson 2.0, and then the Glock MOS. Here we're going to use Glock MOS. The tool I'm using is from Vortex as well. It is a torque driver. All right. It does come with extra screws, multiple screws. That way, if you lose one, you're not SOL. Go ahead and get the plate correctly in there. No, that wasn't stripping the screw, that was the torque limit being reached. All right. Get our optic, pull the rubber off, set it down. All right. You can see just how nice that plate sits on the MOS upper. And I have double checked. The Gen 6 will work with these. These are the Delta Point Pro mount footprint. They already have the insert for the Gen 6 in the box, so it'll work perfectly. All right. Get recoil spring that dropped. All right. That's in there. My version, budget build, Mark 27. I am running Overwatch Precision Trigger. Obviously, the military would use a factory one. So, great little package setup. And yes, it fits in the incog. You got to just adjust that a little bit. Other than that, that's it, guys. So, thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed. I'm going to start making a lot more videos. I just got to get time for it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.